we are making rice cooker barley. This is really easy, healthy recipe. This is a good side dish for lots of meals. Really, really delicious. Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and this is my dad, Don. And today we are making rice cooker barley. This is really easy, healthy recipe, hearty, nutritious, and tastes great.
I remember you had this when I first came for the visit, and it was super.
It is really good. I don't cook barley very often, but it's really delicious, and this is an easy way to make it. So the ingredients in this recipe are water and an instant chicken broth seasoning, whole or pearled barley, and I have pearled barley, diced onion, diced bell pepper. I have red pepper, but you could use any color of bell pepper, paprika, cumin, and chili powder. So all we're going to do is we're going to stir all the ingredients together in the rice cooker. So first we're going to put the water and seasoning broth. But if you don't have the instant seasoning broth, you could use liquid. Instead of the water and the broth, use 4 cups of liquid chicken broth. Also, I have, this is like a vegan chicken broth seasoning, and I really like the flavor better than regular, and it doesn't have any preservatives or chemicals, additives, and it tastes really great. And if you can't find this, I do have a video where I show you how to make it, and it's really easy. Then you can have some on hand. So the first thing is 4 cups of water. You can go ahead and dump that in.
Oh, okay.
Then next we have 4 teaspoons of chicken broth seasoning. You probably want them a little level. Yeah. And you can adjust it to your taste. Next we have 1 cup of barley, and this is pearled barley, so you could just dump that in. 1.5 cups of diced onion. You could use red onion, white onion, yellow onion, sweet onion. Okay, then we have 1 cup of chopped bell peppers, and like I said, you can use any color of pepper. Now we have 2 teaspoons of paprika. You can put those in. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. 2 teaspoons of chili powder. So we'll go ahead and stir the ingredients together. You can go ahead and stir it in. And you can adjust all these seasonings to your taste. And I didn't add any salt, but when it's finished, you could add a little salt if you would like. But our chicken broth seasoning has salt in it, so just adjust to your taste. Okay, so next we're just gonna shut the rice cooker. I'm turning it on. Then I'm gonna press the brown rice setting. And we'll be back. Once it's finished, we're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes, and we'll try it. Okay, our rice cooker barley is done. You ready to try it?
Oh, sure.
Look how
Looks
good. Smells good. I've been smelling it cooking all this time. You can stir it. This is a good side dish for lots of meals. We're gonna.
Okay.
You can double or triple this recipe too if you want to serve more people. So you ready to try?
All set.
Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, yeah.
It was good.
Oh.
This is really, really delicious. You guys really need to try it. It is so good, easy to make. Try it, you're gonna love it. And I'll see you in the next lesson. This is so good.